In the United States, President Donald Trump declares a national emergency for a wall to be built along the U.S.-Mexico border. In Haiti, President Jovenel Moïse speaks to his nation about recent violent protests and says he heard the voice of the people. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi blames Pakistan for the deaths of 41 policemen after a suicide bombing in Indian-controlled Kashmir. Pakistan rejects blame. And Chinese President Xi Jinping meets with U.S. trade members in Beijing to discuss a trade deal between China and the U.S.